We're gonna make it delicious. On my way to a workout class, and since I'm doing healthy things to eat, I'm eating half of a banana because I'm actually starving. Still hungry, but not as hungry, and I don't like to feel full before I work out. Let's go do this workout class. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you along for a healthy what you should be eating in a day. The meals are high protein, they're satisfying, they're nutrient dense, they're satisfying. Did I say satisfying? I feel like a lot of people associate eating clean with eating bland, and that is certainly not the case. If you are on a weight loss or health journey and this sounds like something you might be interested in, please stay because you're in for a treat. Today's meals are savory, cozy, and packed with flavor. For breakfast, I'm making a very simple, it's gonna be sweet potatoes, we're gonna do turkey bacon, and we're gonna do kale. But I'm gonna teach you guys how to season so that this meal doesn't end up tasting like shit. We're gonna make it delicious. So I'm personally just gonna do about a cup of roasted sweet potato, 2 slices of turkey bacon, and 1 cup of chopped kale. And I am using olive oil, but you can use any oil that you have on hand. This combination is satisfying. It gets my day started on a really good note. I'm so hungry. I had a good workout today. I cycled for 45 minutes in a sauna. The spice of the cayenne, the sweet of the cinnamon. Let's see how many calories. 403 calories. So good. Lunch is not gonna be as light as I thought it was gonna be because I changed my mind. I was gonna eat a salad with chicken, but then I remembered that I have salmon and low-fat cream cheese. So I'm kind of having lunch for breakfast, but that's okay. I'm gonna top my smoked salmon sandwich with some pickled red onions, dill. It's gonna be delicious. I'm not gonna put too much cheese, and I am using sourdough bread from Aldi. I love fish, and not a lot of people in my house eat fish. My son and I are the only ones. Hope you guys like the sound of stomping and children's shows because my daughter is doing her thing right now. Lunch was 286 calories. I haven't done my second workout of the day yet. I have 684 calories left on my 1500 calorie base goal. If I can get 40 more grams of protein, I'll be content because my goal was between 100 and 130 grams a day. I know that seems like a big difference. That's a 30-gram difference, but we're not going for perfection, okay? Not every single day needs to be perfect, and it never will be. If you hold yourself to that standard, you're gonna be mad all the time. Bon appetit.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drum.
My chef and I are gonna make Greek turkey burgers. Greek, Mediterranean, whatever. He's still in his work clothes and he's shy. He's gonna show you all the seasonings without talking. He's just gonna show you. And we measure with our hearts, so it's not really gonna be measured either. And he's gonna show you how he does the meat, and then we're just gonna grill them, and we're gonna eat a little side salad. All right, Poppy?
I ain't that lonely, baby. Let it be. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cruel. I swear anything's better than you. Catch you on the flip side, catch you on the flip side. So goodbye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a good night. And if you make any of the recipes, please let me know. That'd be so sweet. Bye. Be safe. We're gonna make it delicious. We're gonna make it inspirational.
Things got worse. You're so manipulative, trying to convince me of the shit, but it didn't work.